In this video, we'll uncover 12 unexpected signs that could indicate liver damage. Recognizing these signs is essential, as it allows you to take action and prevent the condition from worsening. The liver has an impressive ability to heal itself with the right support. The common belief that liver damage is primarily caused by excessive alcohol consumption is somewhat misleading. In reality, factors such as a diet high in sweetened and processed foods and beverages, overconsumption of omega-6 vegetable oils and fast foods, frequent use of painkillers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, and viral infections like hepatitis can all contribute to liver damage. And the list goes on. If you're concerned about liver health, stick around and watch this video until the end. We'll also cover some simple home remedies to detoxify your liver and prevent further damage. One of the first signs of liver issues is light-colored stools. When you go to the bathroom, your liver produces bile acids that help digest fats, giving your stool its typical brown color. However, if you're dealing with fatty liver disease or liver damage, this bile flow can be disrupted, leading to lighter or clay-colored stools. In some cases, the stool may even float in the toilet water due to undigested fat, making it buoyant. The next signs involves difficulty with night vision. If you find it hard to see clearly in low light, especially at night, it could indicate a deficiency in retinol or vitamin A. Your liver's bile production plays a crucial role in helping your body absorb vitamins, which are essential for the rod cells in your eyes to adapt to different light levels. However, liver disease can disrupt this process, leading to poor vitamin absorption and resulting in night blindness. These symptoms may also suggest a congested gallbladder, especially if you also experience dry, sore, irritated, or gritty eyes. Third on the list is a swollen right foot. When blood flow in your liver is compromised, it can lead to liver swelling and enlargement, which puts pressure on the portal vein. This can cause fluid or water retention in the legs or feet. If pressing your finger into the swollen area leaves an indentation, it indicates edema. If your right foot or ankle is more swollen than the left, this could be a common sign of liver damage. Sign number 4, white eyelid growth. An unusual sign of liver damage is the appearance of small white or yellowish growths around your eyelids. These tiny cholesterol deposits accumulate beneath the skin due to the liver's inability to break down cholesterol effectively, leading to its buildup in various body parts. Sign number 5, pressure on the right side. Another potential indicator of liver disease is a sensation of pressure or discomfort on the right side of your rib cage, especially after eating. Liver damage can cause bile to become thick and sludgy, which may block the small tubes connecting to your gallbladder. This can lead to a feeling of pressure and discomfort around the ribs. This pressure can also affect the phrenic nerve, leading to muscle tension and pain in the area around your right shoulder. Sign number 6, purple and red spots. When your liver is congested, inflamed, or impaired, it produces fewer proteins necessary for proper blood clotting. As a result, you may bruise more easily, and you might notice unusual purple or red spots on your skin that resemble a rash, often accompanied by small red patches. This typically occurs on areas like the lower legs or arms and is linked to poor blood circulation associated with liver disease or possibly diabetes. Sign number 7, cracked heels. Your body relies on vitamin B3, also known as niacin, to keep your skin strong, smooth, and hydrated. However, when dealing with liver disease, your body redirects its niacin reserves to repair liver damage, leaving less of this essential nutrient available for other functions. As a result, the skin on your soles and heels can become dry and cracked. Addressing this issue involves increasing your intake of vitamin B3 and tackling the underlying problem, which is often fatty liver disease. Another symptom of liver disease is a persistent urge to scratch, particularly on the palms of your hands or the soles of your feet. This condition occurs due to a buildup of bile acids beneath the skin, a result of the liver's inadequate filtration. The accumulation of these acids leads to a buildup of histamines in the bloodstream, triggering that itchy sensation. Sign number 9, all white or clubbed nails. If your fingernails start to turn completely white, losing their natural pink hue, or they develop a rounded, clubbed, or bulbous shape, it could be a sign of significant liver damage or another underlying health issue. This condition can impede the delivery of oxygen to the nail matrix. Interestingly, researchers in the 1950s discovered that 8 out of 10 individuals with severe liver scarring had completely white nails. Sign number 10, dark urine. Your liver plays a vital role in breaking down old red blood cells, which contain a yellowish pigment called bilirubin. When your liver or gallbladder is damaged, this pigment can build up in your body and eventually be excreted through your urine. As a result, your urine may turn a deep dark orange, amber, or brownish color because your liver isn't processing the pigment as it should. Additionally, certain medications such as antibiotics, sleeping pills, or birth control pills can also contribute to this discoloration by putting extra strain on your liver. Sign #11. Yellowed skin. When your liver isn't functioning properly and fails to filter bilirubin from your blood effectively, it can lead to a yellowish tint on your skin, a condition known as jaundice. Jaundice is a clear indication of significant liver damage, which could be due to conditions like hepatitis, cirrhosis, or drug or medication poisoning. If you notice yellowing of your skin, it's crucial to seek medical attention and consult your doctor. Lastly, sign #12. Spider veins. Spider veins look like tiny red dots with spider-like extensions of blood vessels visible on the skin. These blood vessels may become damaged because your liver isn't filtering out excess estrogen effectively. Elevated estrogen levels can weaken the blood vessels in the veins, leading to their dilation and the appearance of these spider-like veins on the skin. If you experience any of these symptoms we've discussed, it's strongly advisable to schedule a visit with your doctor and request an ultrasound examination. As previously mentioned, the liver goes through 4 distinct stages of damage. It first accumulates fat, then becomes inflamed, followed by the formation of scar tissue known as fibrosis. In the most advanced and potentially life-threatening stage, the liver progresses to cirrhosis. Fortunately, there is hope, as the liver has an extraordinary ability to regenerate and recover when you make dietary improvements and use the right remedies. So let's discuss the most crucial steps to reverse liver damage. Before so, it's important to acknowledge that home natural remedies can provide a range of health advantages. Before incorporating substantial alterations to your diet, particularly for those with pre-existing health issues or concerns, seeking advice from a healthcare provider is crucial. First, improve your diet by cutting down on sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods like bread, cookies, candies, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, and soda. A fatty or impaired liver reacts to fructose, the sugar found in fruits, much like it does to alcohol. Second, incorporate plenty of bitter and sulfur-rich foods into your diet. These include leafy greens, artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, pasture-raised eggs, wild salmon, oily fish, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. Foods rich in sulfur can help reduce fat buildup in your liver by increasing glutathione levels and supporting the detoxification of harmful substances. Third, start your day with a cup of homemade organic coffee, adding a teaspoon of turmeric. The polyphenols in coffee and the phytonutrients in turmeric are effective at reducing the formation of scar tissue in the liver and promoting its repair from damage caused by alcohol, drugs, or fructose. Additionally, aim to consume at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water throughout the day to help thin your blood and support the liver in producing bile to break down fatty deposits. To enhance toxin filtration in your liver, consider adding freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice.